In this experiment, a solution of unknown sugar will be prepared, exposed to plain polarized light, and the observed optical rotation will be measured using a polarimeter. So first, we are going to prepare the sugar solution of known concentration of unknown identity. Weigh out about approximately 0.5 gram of the unknown sugar. Record the exact amount and all the digits in your notebook. In a clean 50 ml beaker, dissolve your sugar in approximately 10 ml of deionized water. Swirl the content using a glass rod until all the solid dissolve. Carefully transfer this solution to a 25 ml volumetric flask. Volumetric flask is one of the pieces of glassware that has a high degree of accuracy and precision. Rinse the beaker with approximately 2 ml of deionized water. Transfer this solution to a volumetric flask. Carefully and using a pipette, dropwise add deionized water to the volumetric flask until the bottom of the meniscus is exactly on the edged line of the volumetric flask. Now the flask contains 25.00 ml solution with a plus minus 0.02 ml deviation. Cap or cover the end of volumetric with a piece of parafilm. And then invert the volumetric flask several times to ensure thorough mixing. If you add too much water and overshoot the line, that solution must be discarded and the entire solution making process has to be started again. We will now obtain the alpha observation by analyzing our solution in the polarimeter. This is the Rudolph Research Analytical Autopolarimeter. These are standard analytical instrumentation. Your professor will have already zeroed the machine for use before. Pour the deionized water and unknown sugar solution in the respective labeled beaker. Now to observe alpha rotation, we will use this particular cell and we need to clean it first. So first we can rinse with deionized water to make sure there is no impurity or anything left inside it. We do this flushing to make sure there is no bubble present in the cell. So once you do that, you take a different syringe and first rinse it with your sugar solution. Then you fill the syringe again and rinse the cell using sugar solution so that it does not mix with deionized water. You fill the syringe again and this time you fill it with the solution. And now your cell with the solution is ready to record the optical rotation. Now using the instructions mentioned, you just need to hit start. You see something green colored that represents start. Before you do hit start, you need to make sure it shows 0.00. If it is 0, it means the machine has been calibrated. If it is not 0, then we will have to calibrate the machine. This process usually takes less than 1 minute and you will see a number and you record in your notebook right away. And this number will be used to do further calculation. And once you're done with the experiment, please make sure you rinse the polarimeter cell using deionized water.